and it was already in the public media, in the public domain. And then
requested that I make a statement on this, especially on the issue of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. You know,
people of Ladakh are marching across the streets of Leh and will be gathering here in any moment now.
Yes, I stand and fully support and strongly stand.
Good information that you have received, then I encourage you to watch this video till the end, where
to defend His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Why? Because he's the Buddha. He's the emanation of Avalokiteshvara, the Buddha of compassion. However, when someone
The recent incident of defaming His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama through the social media has caused immense sadness and disappointment within the Tibetan community and his followers across the globe. It has been truly hard for each one of us, but the unity that has been exhibited among the Tibetans for standing for the truth is a testament to the values that His Holiness continues to shed light on. Therefore, Tibetans residing in Pokhara, Nepal, have thrived to organize prayer session at their respective settlements as a support for His Holiness as well as for his well-being. May truth prevail. Bodgyalo, long live His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.